in this incredible era we're living in, known as the Age of Aquarius. There's a whole new wave of energy sweeping through, and it's touching all of us, especially the younger generation. Imagine it like a fresh awakening, where we're starting to see the world in a whole new light. We're realizing that everything in the universe is connected, from the stars in the sky to every living being on this planet. It's like we're all part of this magnificent cosmic dance, and it's a pretty amazing feeling. One of the most fascinating things happening is that the new generation, those born from around 1987 onwards, seem to be coming into this world without any karma baggage. It's like they're starting with a clean slate, untouched by the past. But this unique quality has also led to some confusion among the older generation, especially parents and educators. Some of these young individuals have been misunderstood and even falsely labeled with things like ADHD and other conditions, simply because they don't fit into the traditional molds. It's like they're wired differently. And it's time we understood and embraced their unique qualities. As we navigate through this transformative journey, we're learning about some pretty fascinating concepts that can truly change our lives. One of these is the law of attraction, which shows us that our thoughts and intentions have a powerful impact on the reality we create. It's like when we focus on positive things, more positive things start happening to us. And when we dwell on the negative, it tends to bring more negativity into our lives. Understanding and applying this law can truly help us shape a better, more fulfilling life. Another interesting idea is the law of duality, which teaches us that opposites are not contradictory, but complementary. It's like how we need the sun and the moon, the day and the night, and even joy and sorrow to truly appreciate the beauty of life. Embracing this concept helps us to find balance and harmony in the ups and downs of life, reminding us that every experience, whether good or challenging, contributes to the richness of our journey. But it's not just these concepts that are shaping our understanding of the world. There are also other natural laws at play during this transformational period. These laws are guiding us to reconnect with nature and with each other in a more profound way. It's like we're rediscovering the importance of kindness, empathy, and compassion. We're learning to appreciate the delicate balance of the natural world and understand our role in preserving its beauty and resources for generations to come. In this journey towards a new collective consciousness, we're envisioning a world that's so different from what we know today. It's a world where hate and wars are just distant memories, where sickness and hunger are challenges of the past. It's a world where unconditional love flows freely, where every being is respected and cherished for their uniqueness and contributions. It's a world where we understand that we're all interconnected, and every action we take has a ripple effect on the world around us. So, let's embrace this exciting shift together. Let's welcome the new generation with open arms, understanding that they bring a fresh perspective and a unique energy that can propel us towards a brighter, more harmonious future. Let's practice the law of attraction and duality in our daily lives, creating a reality filled with positivity and balance. Let's reconnect with nature and each other, nurturing a world where love and compassion are the guiding forces. Together, we can build the world we've always dreamed of, one filled with peace, abundance, and unconditional love for all. Spiritual poems from deep underground poetry. Age of Aquarius. If peace assumes shape, it will be forgiveness. It will be acceptance. It would be grace. If love assumes form, it will be kindness. It would be gratitude. It would be you. With heartfelt love and appreciation, your companion on this journey.